So we're going to multiply these numbers that are in scientific notation, and it's important that we want all of our answers to be in scientific notation. The good news is this is relatively straightforward. We're not going to quite use the distributive property, but we're going to multiply the bases together for this top one. So 6 times 7 is 42. And then for the exponents, 10 squared times 10 to the fourth, we add the exponents, so 2 plus 4 is 6. But this is not in scientific notation. We needed to have one number and then the decimal. So it's really the decimals right there. So we move it over left one, and that would give us 4.2 times 10 to the 7th power. The next one's going to be pretty similar. Don't be thrown off by the negative numbers for the exponents. 9 times 3 is 27. And then for the exponents, we're going to have a negative 4 plus a negative 5, which is negative 9. This is not in scientific notation. We need to, in this case, move the decimal over one spot to the left. We add 1 to the exponent. So 2.7 times 10, and negative 9 plus 1 gives us negative 8. Dividing with scientific notation is very similar. Get out your calculator. We're going to have 5.1 divided by 3. I'm getting out my calculator for that. 5.1 divided by 3 is 1.7, and the good news is that means we're not going to have to do anything at the end because this is already in scientific notation. And when we are dividing with exponents, we subtract them. So 8 minus 5 is 3. So our answer is 1.7 times 10 to the third power. It's already scientific notation. You might also see division as a fraction. Fractions are just another way of saying division. So we're going to do 6.6 divided by 3, just like normal. Those are normal division. That's 2.2. And then for the exponents, don't be thrown off. The negative 6 minus a negative 4, write this out just so we can see it. The negative 6 minus a negative 4 is really the same thing as negative 6 plus 4, which is negative 2. A lot of students will just write negative 10 for the exponent. In this case, negative 6 plus 4 is a negative 2. And our answer is 2.2 times 10 to the negative 2 power. If you have any kind of questions, please ask your math teacher.